Want to get the perfect summer glow without the risk of sun damage? Let's talk about all things sunless tanning. My name is Emily Baker, and I'm a beauty expert here at JCPenney. It's our goal to give you a look, not just at what's trending, but what's actually going to work best for your vibe and preferences. Today, we're shooting for a glowing, radiant tan with our new best friend, Sunless Tanner. Sunless Tanner has come such a long way over the years. Gone are the days of streaky orange self-tanner. The new products are leagues ahead of what you grew up seeing your mom use. But if you aren't careful when choosing the right option for your unique skin tone and texture, you may end up looking like a carrot at your sister's wedding. That's where we come in. In this episode, we'll be sharing how to get the perfect sunless tan and walk you through some of the best products to get the radiant glow you've been looking for. So does self-tanner look great? Absolutely. But even more than that, it gives us one major bonus. It doesn't damage our skin. I'm sure I don't have to tell you guys that tanning the old-fashioned way can have negative short-term and long-term effects on our skin. Tanning on the beach or tanning in a salon might give us an instant boost of confidence, but some of that damage to our skin can be irreversible. And it's not just a bad sunburn that we need to worry about. From wrinkles and age spots to serious skin cancers, it's important to protect our skin from the sun's harmful rays. And not only does Sunless Tanner save your skin from harmful UV rays, it also gives you the option to customize your tan. You don't have to turn over every 15 minutes while you're laying out to get your even ideal coverage. Self-tanner lets you be more intentional about your preferences and choose the right shade and intensity to suit your skin tone and aesthetic. And for anyone who plans on tanning the old-fashioned way or simply spending any time outside, be safe. I know I sound like a mom now, but protect your skin by wearing sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Make sure to apply sunscreen at least 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. SPF moisturizers like Cosrx Vita E, vitalizing sunscreen, can protect your skin while moisturizing your skin, making this an easy step to incorporate into your routine. So instead of baking at the beach or getting crispy in a tanning salon, check out some of our sunless tanning solutions to get your glow. When it comes to sunless tanning, there's a bunch of different methods and products. One of the most popular, of course, is a spray tan. Most spray tans used to be applied by professionals using handheld sprayers, but so many now are booths that use preset options to spray you. The problem with these is that a booth can't accurately judge your skin tone, giving this option a really large margin for error. And of course, there's the cost. No one wants to break their bank hopping into an automatic tanning booth or seeing an expensive professional. For how long those spray tans last? About a week. This isn't a sustainable or budget-friendly option. Thankfully, there are a ton of other in-home options that will give you a bang for your buck and help you get the right glow for your unique skin type and shade. One of the most popular products we're going to talk about is self-tanning mousse. Personally, I think the thicker self-tanning lotions can be streaky and are more likely to settle into creases and corners in a way that looks unnatural. We want a fake tan, yes, but we don't want it to look fake. Mousse is the perfect solution to this problem. It has a lighter weight formula and is much more user-friendly. When it is applied correctly, it can give you a natural-looking tan that lasts for days. Let's talk about applying self-tanner. It can seem intimidating at first, especially if you've ever seen the results of someone who's done it wrong. But with the right technique, you can get that flawless, natural-looking tan every time. So without further ado, here are some tips to help you apply Sunless Tanner like a pro. First, it's important to prep your skin before application. This means exfoliating your skin to remove dead skin cells and ensuring that your skin is clean and dry. This will help the tanner apply evenly and prevent streaks or patches. I love the Buddha Skin Tea Tree and Aloe Exfoliating Scrub. It's gentle, but it still flattens and evens out your skin tone so you get an even application. Once your skin is prepped, apply a small amount of untinted lotion like the Hemp's Koa and Sweet Almond Body Moisturizer to areas that tend to absorb more tanner. Areas like your elbows, knees, and ankles can be trouble spots, but this will help prevent them from becoming too dark or uneven. When it's finally time to apply our tanner, we'll start with a small amount and work in a circular motion, blending as we go. You want to focus one area at a time and work your way up to the face and neck. I like to start with my legs to get into the swing of things. You absolutely need to use a tanning mitt or gloves to avoid getting the tanner on your hands. And be sure to blend well around the hairline, ears, and neck to avoid any harsh lines. For hard to reach areas like your back, I recommend using one of the spray products I'll be talking about or just grabbing a friend to help you out. Once you're finished, be sure to check for any missed spots or areas that need more blending. The hardest part for me is being patient once I'm done. You'll want to wait until everything is completely dry before getting dressed, putting any other products on, or getting into bed. All products have their own instructions about when it's okay to get in a shower or show off that new tan in the pool. So read the instructions carefully. You don't want all the nice glow to rinse off before you even been able to enjoy it. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into the good stuff. What kind of sunless tanning products should you be using? It can be overwhelming to choose the right one, but that's where our beauty experts at JCPenney come in. I'm going to walk you through some of the best self-tanning products on the market to fit your individual needs. First up, we have the B-Tan Fake It Till You Make It Self-Tan Mousse. I am obsessed with this brand. It's so fun and cheeky, plus this lightweight, easy to apply mousse will give you a natural looking streak-free tan that lasts days. Next, we have the St. Moriz Professional Tanning Mist. This professional instant tanning mist has a unique blend of active tanning agents and will leave a deep bronze, natural looking tan. Not only is it quick drying, but it's created with olive milk and vitamin E, so your skin will get some of its much needed vitamins. Now I want to move us away from mousse and into some other products you can use to get your sunless tan. A self-tanning mist like St. Moriz's Advanced Pro Radiant Glow Face Mist is also a wonderful option, especially if you need something quick drying. Maybe you don't have the time to carefully apply the mousse options, or you don't have someone to help you get the hard-to-reach spots. Sprays are going to be perfect for you. They're also full of skin-loving vitamins, so they won't dry you out. Lastly, I want to acknowledge your real-life tanning. I don't expect natural tanning to go away anytime soon. Whether we're laying out at the beach to get that perfect tan, taking a walk around town, or standing in line at the theme park, we're going to end up in the sun. So why not make the most of it? Enter tanning oil. While UV rays might not be your skin's best friend, I know some of you guys are going to do this anyway. So you can at least do it with the right products. Usually tanning oil will have low SPF, but we're rich in oils and vitamins that will keep you moisturized as well as intensify your tan. Once you've achieved your ideal tan, you're going to want to take steps to maintain it. I have a few tips about how to make your sunless tan look flawless for longer. First and foremost, it's important to keep your skin hydrated. Moisturizing your skin regularly can help to extend the life of your tan and will help prevent it from getting patchy or uneven. Look for a moisturizer that's specifically designed for use with sunless tanning products. I recommend the Buddha Gel Cream. It's a lightweight, oil-free hydrator that's chock full of skin-loving nutrients. Another tip is to avoid excessive sweating or swimming, especially in chlorinated pools. These will cause your sunless tan to fade even faster. When you shower or take a bath, try to avoid using harsh soaps or scrubs. These can strip away your tan and cause it to fade more quickly. Instead, go with a more gentle, moisturizing body wash, like the Be Fresh Fresh AF Body Wash. This is packed with moisturizing hyaluronic acid and was created for after tanning care. If you happen to notice any patchiness or unevenness in your sunless tan, you don't have to panic. There are products available that can help touch up your tan and keep it looking flawless. A tinted moisturizer like Jason Wu's Beauty's Tinted Moisturizer Meets CC Cream will give you the best of both worlds since it combines a lightweight tinted moisturizer with a color correcting cream. With all these tips in mind, you can keep your sunless tan looking flawless for as long as possible. And that's a wrap on Self Tanner. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you still aren't sure what kind of Self Tanner would be best for you, stop into any JCPenney Beauty and our experts will help you find the ideal product for your skin and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney. Be sure to ring the bell so you can get the best beauty information right as it comes. We'd also love to hear about your tanning tips, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.